prepare for undergraduate research experiences, participating in strategic pre-planning is essential. So some of the things that we have found that mentors talk about doing that really strengthen this practice is the use of learning contracts or research syllabi. This is actually my favorite practice to implement because it also provides some structure that allows you to outline learning outcomes and objectives with students, and then over time you can revisit those outcomes so students have a better understanding of why they're going through certain phases of a project, and then repeating those phases again so that you can help to inform mastery in some way.
Because every project's a little bit different, so I think that trying to figure out those nuances I think is really important. Some of the work I've been doing in discussion with colleagues about global contexts, strategic pre-planning is obviously a very intentional part of that process since you're sending people away to do something, and there might be some things that we can learn from that also.
I think strategic planning is actually, especially the planning part before the students actually register for credit for undergraduate research is actually super important. And the reason why I'm saying that is usually a meaningful undergraduate research experience should actually start way before the students start to think about getting credits for doing it, or actually getting compensation or assistantship or applying funds. So in other words, as we are like the scholars, when we initially started our experience in grad school, we did not actually jump into the research right away. We have to think about the things that we needed to learn to identify an appropriate topic, and also we needed to learn about the method, and all those things are actually part of the research experience.